Looks like just us.
We're a little far off from the circle. Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I fixed my mic. I guess.
Yeah, we can hear you, unfortunately.
Alright, finally. Thank God. I've been talking to myself for like past half hour.
Oh, man.
Have you got some here?
People?
Yeah, I got you.
Was it one guy?
Yeah, well, it's a bot.
I think so.
Alright, let's go. We're doing good. We can hit these houses right here to the left.
Okay.
There's a guy
We're gonna go in.
straight ahead, 250.
I hit my. He's hit. You can take him out. It's only one guy. He's going right side. Yeah. Green. Watch out. Coming after you.
Guy in the house.
All right. We can rush him. Nice. Oh. Okay. Nice. We got him. Good job, bro.
Spanky.
Are we moving into next?
We gotta go.
I got shot. He's right here behind the rope. Get him. Nice. Another dude. Checking.
Someone pop a smoke.
I think there's another
Thanks,
dude.
guys.
Pop a smoke.
Yeah,
please.
we're here, so-
Pop a smoke. Please, pop a smoke.
Somebody get
Yeah.
three.
Oh, Nate. Guys, keep going. Believe me. Guys, circle's coming in. Keep going. I'm a dead man. Keep going. The one in the bush. GG, boys.
Guy behind the tree here. Is there another guy over here
Yeah,
somewhere?
he's on top of the hill. 300.
He's down.
Yeah, he's dead. There's another motorcycle over here I'm gonna take.
Alright.